Hello everybody, so today I'm going to talk to you about what comes in our new distributor kit when you decide to join the SeneGence family. So to join it is $85 plus postage, but you do get a beautiful kit posted straight to your door, which contains $194 worth of contents within. So today I'm going to show you exactly what that contents is. So this is the box itself that it will arrive in, and it's huge and jam-packed. Now the first thing you get in this box is this portfolio case, and within here you can actually carry in all your testers and goodies. There's a fantastic carry-all case for your SeneGence products that you are going to be getting within the new distributor kit. You can also carry your documents at the same time should you choose to be distributing the range. Some of us do join for personal use though, and that is totally okay too. The discounts are sometimes just too good to miss when you are obsessed with an amazing range like this, so that's okay if you are a personal user as well. Now, for the purpose of sharing with you the product you get in, I actually ordered in the deep neutral kit. So there are two options. There's the deep neutral and the soft neutral. So I'll run you through what I have here in the deep neutral kit. You get a sheer berry lip scent. You get a caramel apple lip scent, one of my personal favorites, and a Bella, which is also one of my personal favorites. So you can see why I grabbed this kit here. You also get a protective glossy gloss to go over the top of your lip scent color, and your oops remover, which is fantastic for end of day removal without drying out your lips and also touching up those moments when you go out of line with the pointed tip wand. The soft neutral kit contains, instead of these three colors here, the soft neutral kit contains a Love It, a Bombshell, and Dawn Rising. So they are all up there within our top sellers with what you get within this kit. Now, if you are joining SeneGence for the business side of things, this kit also has some fantastic tools to help you get demonstrating straight away to be able to set your business up for success. So the first thing is a pack of disposable applicator wands. So if you are showing off the beautiful colors you just got, you can keep things sanitary by using disposable applicator wands. It also contains some glossy gloss samples to give out on the go. So if someone has tried on the color, they can pop on some additional gloss. The other thing as well is some skincare samples. Oops, got some stuck together. As well as all of that, it contains some fantastic brochures. So it's a bit of a sample of what you can access upon joining as well. So you will be able to purchase more of these should you choose to. So these are flyers to give out on the go. So products that really work and a career that really works. So the career opportunity flyers. You also get 5 beauty book catalogs, and it is the current edition of our catalogs within there. So you can also hand these out like candy and show the rest of the extended range. You get some customer purchase receipts should anyone choose to order through you, and an Acclaim magazine as well. You will also get a copy of Joni, who is the CEO and founder of the company, her $1 Million Lips book. And I strongly encourage you to read this, whether you are going to be a business user or personal user. It is an inspiring story. With this kit as well, you also get a Sene site, which is essentially your own customized website for you to send your clients to be able to shop at your online store. We used to have to pay for this, but now it's free in this kit. Our old kits also never contained tangible products, so this is very, very exciting. I'm so excited that now when you join, you will have tangible products to get you started from the moment you get going. Not to mention that upon joining, you will have instant access to our range at up to a massive 50% off. That is huge. And of course, we have the opportunity to earn more freebies. You can earn $1,500 worth of freebies upon joining for a wholesale account. Should you have any more questions about joining, feel free to let us know and we would be more than happy to assist you. But I hope you are excited for this new distributor kit as much as I am. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you really soon. Bye.